Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Shopify in 2025, the ultimate beginner's guide. Shopify has added new features and made the platform even easier to use this year. So, whether you are starting your first store or just need a refresher, this video is for you. Let's get started. First of all, head over to shopify.com. Then click Start Free Trial. In 2025, Shopify gives you a 3-day free trial and then you pay monthly after that. Enter your email, create a password, and name your store. Answer a few quick questions about your business, like whether you are selling products, services, or dropshipping. If you have already an account, just enter your email address and password. Then click login. Now click skip I decide later button. Now wait a few minutes for loading. Once you finish, you will land on your brand new Shopify dashboard, the command center for your store. Now let's add your first product. Click on product section on the left side bar and click add products. Here you will fill in basic information like product title, description, images, and pricing. In 2025, Shopify has AI tools that can help you auto-generate product descriptions. A real-time saver. Just click generate text. Now write keyword like organic, cotton, then generate. Here write t-shirt, then click on keep, and that's it. You can also set up inventory tracking, shipping options, and product variants like size or color. Once everything looks good, hit save. You can also add your product image from your device like that. Just click on upload new and select one from your computer. Then click save. After complete all necessary details like save. Now it's time to make your store look awesome. Click on online store from the left side bar, then click themes. Shopify in 2025 offers a ton of free and premium themes that are mobile friendly and first pick a theme you like. For example, the updated down.3.0 like that. Click customize to start editing. You can change the homepage layout, add banners, feature products, and edit fonts and color. No coding needed. Make sure your store reflects with brands by and is easy to navigate. To get paid, you need to set up your payment methods. Just Go to settings from the left side bar, then click payments option. Shopify payments is the easy option. It lets you accept credit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and more, all with low fees. If you prefer, you can also connect PayPal, Stripe, or even crypto wallets in 2025. Just click choose a provider and search your provider name here, like Stripe. That's it. Follow the prompts to set up your bank account so Shopify can deposit your earnings. Next, let's talk about shipping and taxes. Go to shipping and delivery option. Here you can set flat rate, free shipping, or real-time carrier rates. If you are using services like UPS or FedEx, Shopify in 2025 even lets you offer local delivery and pickup options easily. For taxes, Shopify automatically calculates most sales taxes for you, but double check the taxes settings based on where you are selling. Almost there. Before you launch, make sure you have added a domain name. You can buy one through Shopify or connect an existing domain. Now go to domain section from here like that to set it up. Once that's done, remove the password protection under online store preferences. Now your site is live and ready for the world to see. Shopify 2025 has some awesome new features like AI product descriptions, sometime save time writing your product pages, smart collections, create automated product groups based on tags or inventory. Shopify bundles app easily offer product bundles to boost your sales. Advanced analytics track customer behavior in even more detail. Make sure to explore the App Store to find tools that make running your business even easier. And that's it. And that's how you use Shopify in 2025. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more e-commerce tips, and drop any questions. If you drop any question you have in the comments. Thanks for watching and good luck with your new store.